Good afternoon, football fans, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Talk That Talk, where we talk everything football related. Today, we will be discussing the GOAT himself, CR7, and we will be diving into his new Saudi contract that he just signed. I think the contract is for 2 years that he will be signing. That is just something that I need to just go back and clarify on that. But as we know, he will be signing a new contract as it came out this morning. So I will just go run through his contract so that you can understand and get a breakdown per second up to annual so that you can understand how much money he's actually making per year. So yeah, let's dive into it. See you on the flip side. So yeah, let's just dive into his breakdown of his salary so that you can understand what CR7 is actually making per year. So we're gonna be starting off per second. So CR7 is actually making $9.98 per second. Don't sound a lot, but if it accumulates, you will understand in a minute what I'm talking about. So that is how much he's making per second. Per minute, he's making $599. $599 per minute. So he's out here making my monthly salary per minute. That ain't fair. That ain't fair. But yeah, let's get back into it. Let me not think on that too much. So he's making $599 per minute. Per hour, he's making $35,000. Actually, it's $35,959 per hour, people. Per hour. $35,000 per hour. That is how much he's making. Just take a moment to think of that. Let it soak in. Let it soak in. Some people are just making some crazy bread outside. So yeah, and he's making $863,000 per day. $863,000 per day. Whew, that's a lot of money. That's serious, a lot of money. But he deserves it. He did a lot of things in his career, and I really think that he deserves that type of appreciate. I will call it appreciation. That is appreciation for the talent that he has and what he did for football so far. So yeah, I think that is actually he deserves that type of money. So let's go back to it. So per week, I need you to just listen to what I'm about to tell you now. Per week, he's making 6,057,000 per week. Per week, he's making 6 M's per week. No wonder you can't keep your wife at home because there's people out here making silly money like this. While you're working a 9 to 5, people are sitting back in hotels making 6 millions per week. Per month, he's making 26,000 uh 26,250,000. 26,250,000 thousand per month, people, per month, not per year, per month. He's doing that per year, per month. Per month, that man is making 26 million. I don't know a lot of people that makes 26 million per month. That is some crazy, 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 crazy figures if you think about it. So can I get a drum roll for his annual salary? CR7, the GOAT himself, Mr. 1000 goals. I think he's gonna reach 1000 goals. I'm sure he's gonna reach 1000 goals. Is making 30, 315 million. Let me say it again. 315 million per year. 315 million per year. Do you know someone that is making 315 million per year? Because I can tell you, I don't know. I don't know anyone that is making 315 million per year. And if it is that his contract is for 2 years, Mandem will be making 630 million per year. But like I said, I think CR7 deserve it. There's a lot of football fans that will tell me, I don't think he deserves it. I think he's not supposed to be in that league. But people, come on, let's be honest. He did enough in his career. He is a family man and he needs to be thinking about his children's children and he's building a legacy. And because that is what it's all about. You go to work, work a 9 to 5. If someone comes to you and tell you, I will pay you 50 million a year if you come work for me, will you stay at your work where you get paid 10,000 per month or even 10 million, or not even 10 million, but where you get paid 10,000 per year? Will you stay at that work or will you go for 50 million per year? You tell me. Because I will go now and resign now immediately if someone can tell me, will you come to me and work for me and I will pay you 50 million per year? I will quit on the spot. On the spot. I will leave my job just there on the spot. Call my wife, tell her we're moving, sell the house, burn the house. I don't care what you're gonna do. We need to get out of this place. We have something better waiting for us. Because at the end of the day, we all do it for our families. If you're not working for your family and you're not grinding to to build a generational wealth, then I don't know what you are doing. I really don't know what you are doing, and no one can hate on CR7 because what he's doing is for his family. And as much as I would like to see CR7 still playing in the Champions League, unfortunately, we saw it all and we knew that this is going to happen. We knew he's going to move back. But if I have to say, he's still doing incredibly good in the Saudi Pro League for Al Nassr. He's outscoring. I think I'm not sure if he's still the top scorer, but I know a month or two ago he was in the top three goal scorers in the Saudi Pro League. I just need to go back and just double back on that and tell you guys when we will make our next video on CR7's best free kicks that he scored throughout his career. We will be looking at the top 10 free kicks of CR7 throughout his career, starting from when he was playing at Manchester United when he actually reached the bigger levels, and up until now, where he's almost 40 years old. We will be talking about it. So yeah, if you guys want me to make a video on Lionel Messi, I will make a video on Lionel Messi. You just have to hit down below in the comments and I will make a video and we can compare CR7's new contract and Messi's contract to see who's actually making more money between the two of them. So yeah, um, that will be all from Told That Too. See you on the flip side. Have a blessed day. Peace.